Industrial equipment needs to be high quality, durable and robust. And whether you're designing equipment for handling, moving or lifting, the powerful tools in SOLIDWORKS will make your next project fast and pain-free. Let's take a look at how SOLIDWORKS enables those in the industrial equipment sector get the right design first time. Creating fabrications in SOLIDWORKS is easy, with dedicated tools for the creation of cut from sheet and cut from length material. Pre-built libraries speed up the design process by giving you access to the most commonly used cut from length profiles, such as box section, parallel flange, angle, tube and round. You can even add your own custom profiles to the library too. In SOLIDWORKS, you can add and remove material in any way you like. The hole wizard is a great time saver for when adding standard holes, such as counterbore, countersunk, tapped and slotted holes. The weld features allow you to specify and visualize where weld is required, and the tab and slot tool allows you to quickly add self-jigging to your design, removing the need for additional jigs and fixtures during the manufacturing process. In SOLIDWORKS, 2D drawings are driven directly from the 3D model. Therefore, if the model changes, so does the 2D drawing. Views, cut lists, dimensions and balloons can all be added in just a few clicks. Communicating your design is an important part of the design and manufacturing process, and this is easily achieved with SOLIDWORKS too. You can share your documentation in a number of different file formats, including DWG and DXF, PDF, as well as the free SOLIDWORKS Viewer eDrawings. Validating your designs can remove the need to create costly, time-consuming prototypes and gives you the peace of mind that your design is fit for purpose. The integrated design and simulation tools within SOLIDWORKS allow you to test for any eventuality. SOLIDWORKS Visualize allows you to create photorealistic images of your design directly from your CAD data. You can explore different textures and appearances without a single prototype being made. Visualize is a great tool to use internally for review or as a way of selling your idea to a client. These are just a few capabilities of SOLIDWORKS. If you would like to know more about how SOLIDWORKS could help your company to design faster and create better products, please visit our website or get in touch.